cooking dinner for me and my daughter. My husband is a truck driver. He's on the road. She's eating chicken drumettes, party wings. We argued about, is it party wings, is it drumettes? So I'm fixing her some of these, but I gotta thaw them out first. I'm having a turkey leg. I will insert that picture of my turkey leg when it is done. Strain your noodles, al dente. Simply mean don't cook them till they mush, because you're gonna cook them even more when you put them in the oven. I don't feel like washing dishes, so I'm gonna use this. Dump your noodles back in the pot. A separate bowl, melt you some butter. Open up a can of evaporated milk. You can use 1.5 if you want, but I'm only gonna use 1, and then I'm gonna use some regular milk. Pour that into a bowl. Melt 1 stick of butter. Pour that into the bowl with the milk. Don't have my spoon over here, so I'm just gonna use my little knife. 2 eggs, or you can add 1. These are my farm fresh chicken eggs. Save the shell for the garden. Mix it up. Let me get my whisk. Ooh, I should have got a bigger bowl. So if we waste any, it'll go into the bowl. I add a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of blacky pep, not a bit. Paprika. I don't know what I did with my onion powder. So now, the old me would have put sugar in here, and I still may put some in here because I'm cutting my sugar, but if I'm eating the cheese and all that stuff, there's no, and I'm treating myself to this, I might as well get my sugar. Sugar. Now, this is the 3rd cup, but I don't even have a 1/3 of sugar in here. So, that's the secret ingredient. Cut your sugar everywhere else. Pour that in. Yum, yum, yum. Add sour cream. It is optional for you. 1/3 cup. That's enough. See? This is what happens when you buy generic noodles. I bought Food Line generic noodles. Look at how big these some beans are. Let me show you. Look how big that is. Delicious. Bam. Now, we already got a little bit of milk in here. I'm gonna add some of this milk here because you need that big block to melt. Where's my cheese at? I'm using sharp cheddar and mozzarella. And I have 2 sharp cheddar, I can't talk, sharp cheddar cheese. Say that 5, 6 times back to back. I always throw my stuff in the sink and I clean it up later. It's gonna be very cheesy. I don't know if I'm gonna use the whole thing of the mozzarella. We'll see how it looks. Well, I will because I have another mozzarella already in in there. I don't eat what? Macaroni. Bam, another sharp cheddar to the rescue. That's why I guess we cleaning the refrigerator out today. Bam. So that's 3 bags. Well, that wasn't a full bag right there, but 3 bags of cheese. And while I do like to shred my own cheese, I feel like that's enough cheese in there. Let's spray our pan. I'm just using first thing I grabbed was a butter flavor. You could just grab butter, because butter makes it better. I should have cooked me some bacon to have in here, but that might have been too much. We're gonna use the rest of this a little bit here, because why leave that in the refrigerator? And then once we get this in the pan, we're gonna use this right here on top. And then round we go. Round and round we go. Cheese it down. Y'all gonna get me. Mustard! As Kendrick Lamar would say. Do you use that in your mac and cheese? You do not taste it. You do not taste it. Pour it in. Ooh, yum. Get all the cheese out the pot. Like, why would you leave anything in the pot? What I like to do is, ooh, that's a clump of cheese right there. Sprinkle a little on the top. And remember to stay in the screen. Ooh. I need to get my daughter bought me one of those electric ones. She's like, you ain't used it yet. I'm like, sure haven't. Okay, so that, and then I also do paprika. I do the peps, just a little bit of the peps. We do parsley. I think I'm gonna grow my own parsley. Well, not from seed. I tried that. It didn't work. I tried the thyme. It didn't work. So I'm gonna buy those things and I'm gonna plant them in pots. So to put it on top of the cheese, but it's okay. We're going to put the cheese on. Cheese it down, honey. This is the last bag of cheese that's in my refrigerator. Because I keep forgetting that I have cheese and I buy cheese when I go to the store. We don't even eat a lot of cheese. Like, this is the only time we eat this kind of cheese unless we're doing tacos. And we rarely do tacos. But maybe I'll do tacos one night this week. And I will record it. Okay. Now that's crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's really 5 or 4 and 2 halves. No, 5 and whatever. Okay. YouTube math sucks. Here's the mac and cheese. And it's going in the oven, covered, not smothered, okay? It's going, right now I have my oven on 425, and I'm gonna leave it there because I have my turkey leg in there, and I don't wanna jeopardize that, so I'm just gonna keep an eye on this. Cover this up, not too tight, just gonna cover it up, put it in the oven. Okay. Okay. Ooh, these are just right. These are just right. Let me clean these up and I'll be right back. Okay, so these right here are going to get black pepper, lemon pepper, lots of lemon pepper. Why not? Don't be a sour lemon. Cajun, because we want it to be a little spice. Get it with just a little bit of this. They're going in the air fryer. I'm gonna let them sit for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna stick them in the air fryer for 40 minutes at 400 degrees. It is done. Let's dig from the middle, even though I'm a corner person, but for TV, we're gonna dig from the middle. Wow! Now I'm gonna get the corner. Do you like the corner? I'm probably not gonna eat all this, but after you get through cooking, you don't feel like eating. We got this good old turkey leg. I have been wanting turkey leg with, I've been wanting turkey leg for 2 weeks. Ooh. Ooh. It's starting to burn up because my oven is so doggone. It cooked too fast. Ooh, it's hot. I gotta use this, y'all. Look at that turkey leg. We just gonna put it on the plate. Get you some. I forgot to taste it on camera. So we're gonna dig right in out of it. Cheese. How to do Martin do it. This thing is delicious. Okay, I don't know. I got to go. Let me taste the turkey. I was gonna take the aluminum foil off so it could be crispy, but my oven, it must need to be clean. Oh, it's tender. With seasoning. I'm looking for somebody mama to hit. Oh my God. This turkey, I don't know who seasoned it, but she must be an amazing woman. Me. Listen, I gotta go. I forgot to show y'all my daughter's wings. They just got done. Ooh, they look so good.